Blacked out 4x4, welcome back to another one. So I got the truck here behind me and I got that Ford Raptor mold on and it's on good now. I just had to share that with you guys that it stayed on really well. So the double side tape that we initially had on here didn't do the trick. And I honestly felt with the Canadian climate here, with the winters and just all the rain and the fluctuation of temperatures, that the 3M tape won't hold too well either. I tried a bit of crazy glue. I did, all right. But that didn't hold either. So what we ended up doing is using LePage construction glue. This glue is meant to hold bricks together. It's on really good. So I'm really happy with that. Not the most professional type of glue I would recommend, but it did the trick. LePage construction glue. There is car goop or car glue that auto body shops use to put on other types of molds onto the vehicles that really hold on well too. So anything high-end glue for automotive construction, stuff like that, is better, especially for something like that. So without further ado, let's get on to talk about what we're here to talk about today, and that is I just made the truck louder. Yes, I had a Magnaflow exhaust install. If you guys haven't seen that, I will include the details below this video where you can watch that video. But I kind of feel like that muffler wasn't loud enough. It was good during the cold temperature, the cold climate, just with the cold air and the drier air, it did sound pretty loud. But as soon as the temperature started to rise, I almost couldn't hear it. It's unfortunate. With the V6, it's not that loud. So I did a Resonator delete. I wanted to kind of take you along with me to show you how this sounds, a Resonator delete with a Magnaflow exhaust. Let's do the cold startup. So I'm going to attempt to talk with this exhaust. I'm going to show you a couple of demonstrations today. We're going to do driving with my windows up, driving with my windows down, and then a drive by the camera. We're going to do this outside the garage because I don't feel this is the best true test when we're in a garage like this. Everything echoes. So we're going to head outside and we're going to do a couple of tests. It's going to be fun. You guys will get an idea of how loud this actually sounds in the cabin, windows up, windows down, and drive by. So let's get to it. I thought I'll just talk to you guys while we wait at this red light here. The best thing about this is, like, I got a wicked comment the other day. I reached my boy's place. He knew I was there already without me calling him or honking my horn. He heard my truck idle through the house. So listen to this. Okay, so this is windows up. Now I'm going to bring my windows down and you're going to hear how it sounds with my windows down. Alright, so yeah, that was a compliment that I got. That he could hear my truck from inside his house as it just sat there idling outside his house, and I was like, sick. All right, let me see if I can accelerate again. I got this slow ass driver in front of me. So I got my windows up again, fully. I'm in the parking lot of a grocery store. Just had to do a pickup, so I figured I'll do this video at the same time and get some errands done at the same time. But thoroughly love it. I love it. Like, it's such a presence. It's such a nice heavy rumble. Sounds pretty sick. That concludes the inside tests, the cold startup, and now we'll do the drive-by shooting. I hope you are enjoying it so far. Well, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not sure how loud the truck sounds like on the video, but trust me when I say it's really loud. I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to share this experience, I guess, and you know, get you guys to hear it out. The truck V6 Ecoboost with the Magnaflow and the Resonator Delete. I'm ever so glad that I did this. It makes a great presence. Like you just know that the truck is there. You know what I mean? It just sets all precedents. So if you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. It would mean the world. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. The little animated icon will appear at the bottom here. You know where the real button is. Please smash it, click on it, tap it, whatever you can to show your support as well. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.